Do I need to exercise to lose weight on keto?
No.
But I say it all the time. Like, it's something you should be doing. But does that mean that you have to lose weight?
No. But let's qualify that. This is going to be different for everyone. So tell us in the comments, why are you eating keto? Why have you chosen keto? So let us know in the comments and we're going to come back through these comments and talk kind of about these things specifically. But the short answer is no, you do not need to exercise to lose weight on keto. However, some people will need to move more.
I think that if you're coming from a very compromised state of health, you've been sick for a long time, or you have some systemic health issue, and you start keto, you're probably gonna lose weight pretty quickly, and I think naturally that's going to lead you to move more.
And want to move more.
Because, heck, your joints might just feel better. You might be like, I can walk without pain for the first time in 5 years. So I'm going to go for a walk because that would be really nice right now.
So it's about challenging yourself. So in the beginning, you don't want to start 10 things, right? You don't want to start keto, start an extreme exercise program, then add in yoga and walking and
right,
all these other things. So when you're just getting started, if you don't currently exercise, don't put that pressure on yourself. However, once you get 2 to 4 weeks in, just always be asking yourself, okay, what can I do to improve my health even more? This is working really great, but what can I do to be better?
Yeah, and I heard something recently on a podcast I was listening to, and it really resonated with me. It said, if you are not able, if you're not able to, sit down without pain, why would you all of a sudden add weight to that, right? So, why would you start an extreme exercise program or start putting yourself under load if you can't just move well without load? And by load, I mean added weight.
And remember, the only person you're competing with yourself is you. So if you are just looking to be 1% better every single day, and that can be 1% better in how you're eating, 1% better in how you're moving.
Right.
So that might be, when you're starting out, 10 minutes of walking. You don't have to do these extreme exercise programs that are going to be all over the media very soon. You don't have to do that to be healthy.
Oh, I'm sure Jillian Michaels will be out there on January 1st saying how keto is the worst thing ever, and come join her program and lose weight. And she probably has helped hundreds of thousands of people. But we're just saying, now the time is not January 1st. The time is now.
Now.
Get after it.